Welcome to TechPass Campus Program, a transformative journey designed to equip university students with the tech skill and entrepreneurial mindset needed to lead in the digital age. TCP is more than just a training program. It's an opportunity to dive deep into the world of technology. Over 3 months, you experience a blend of virtual learning, hands-on projects, and collaborative bootcamps. Each month, TCP brings students from various campuses together for immersive bootcamp. This in-person event is where theory meets practice and where you connect with fellow innovators across regions. At TechPass, we believe in learning by doing. That's why you'll be grouped into teams to develop a real-world startup project, an experience that will sharpen your skill and unleash creativity. But the journey doesn't end there. After completing the program, you have a chance to step into the industry of internship, both paid and unpaid, designed to give you a practical experience and a competitive edge. And as a TCP participant, you're not just gaining skill, you're joining a vibrant community of like-minded peers, mentors, and industry leaders who are all committed to your success. Are you ready to unlock your potential and lead the next wave of tech innovation? Then, TechPass Campus Program is your gateway to a future filled with possibilities. Click on the apply button and take the first step to a brighter future in tech.